Hello world, welcome to the sixth challenge. So today what we are trying to do is count characters in your string, right? So the main idea is to count all the occurring characters in a string. If you have a string like ABA, then the result should be something like A two times it occurs in the string and B occurs one time in the string, right? So what if the string is empty? Then the result should be an empty object literal. So basically, you're given a string and then you're expected to return an object, right? So let's just write it out. So we will have an object literal to, what do you say, to output at the end, right? So this is what is our output going to be. But then now what we need to do is we need to analyze the occurrence inside this, the number of characters that occur inside that string, right? So what we need to do now is let's just split the string into an array. So we can travel through the string and check if that particular character is present in object or not, right? I'm just going to put this in a new line. Okay, so we'll travel through the array and check if that particular character is present in the object or not, right? So if present, then we increment the value, right? Like we'll increment the count, which is over here, or else we'll add the key value pair. That is, we'll say, okay, you need to add a, and we'll say value is 1, right? So this is as simple as that. So first, as we said, we need to split the string into an array. So let's just do that. So we get a string over here. So let string array is equal to string dot split. Of course, we can also do something like string dot character at, and we can do that instead of splitting it into an array. But I just find it easier to do it this way. And then what we need to do is travel through the array, right? So for let I is equal to 0, I less than string array dot length I plus plus. So now travel through the array and check if the particular character is present in the object or not. Okay, so if string array of I is present inside, so what we can do is object dot has own property string dot array, right? So this has to be inside a backtick, and we need to treat this as a variable, right? Because this can only take in strings. Like this object has own property, right? That can only take in strings. So this should work. If that is the case, then we need to just increment that value. So object of string array of I equal to object of string array of I plus 1, right? If that is not present inside that, then what we need to do is we need to add that. So object of string array equal to 1, right? So yeah, this should work out. Key value pair, right? This is how it works out. Yeah, I think this is all there is. String array of I, we need to own that. Hold on, that is there. This is, where is this loop? Why did it go there? Hold on.
A few moments later.
Open, close, open, close. There should be one more close over here. Why is this? I'm not sure. Let's just test it out. Of course. What? Yeah, one more closing bracket is not a function, has own property. Yeah, nice spelling over there. P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. Yup, that should work. And to attempt it all, yup, it should work, right? So perfect. So basically what we are trying to do is we are creating an object, and for every string, we are just checking if the property exists. I mean, for every character, we're seeing if the property exists. If it already exists, then we increment the value of the occurrence of the property, or else we just add it as a new value pair, right? So yeah, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy inside this. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next video.